When entering keyword search terms or phrases, you may enter several variations of them in an effort to come up with the best results possible. This will allow you to keep track of your search query history so that you don't repeat yourself and can figure out what hasn't been tried yet. To get started, on the results page after a basic or advanced search, make sure you're signed into your account on the top right corner of the page, if not already, in order to take advantage of this feature. Above the first result listed, click on the Save Query plus Pin icon next to the total number of results. At the top of the page, you'll notice a yellow banner. Click Dismiss off to the right and ignore it. Now, in order to see your saved searches, click on the pin icon at the top right of the page next to your account. Now, scroll down a bit and click on the Save Searches subheading underneath My Favorites. At the bottom right of the page, you'll notice icons for RSS feed, notification alerts, and removing saved searches. The notification alert, for example, will notify you when there's been an update to your query or something new has been added. If you have any further questions or if anything I've said is unclear to you, feel free to contact me again because I'm happy to help. Thanks.